Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about variables and keywords. So what actually is a variable? In my previous video I discussed about the alphabet set of a C language. So we are going to discuss today one alphabet set that is variable. Variable is a name given to the memory location to store data in memory location. So as I told in my previous video, memory is divided into bytes and each memory location is assigned some name. So that we can store that variable in the computer memory. So to assign the name to this memory location, we make use of a variable. So we say it's a name given to the memory location to store the data. I may store some data here in this memory location like 10, 20, 30 like this. So I may be giving some name to this memory location as A, B, C like that. So what are the rules we should follow to declare a variable? So some of the rules we should follow is it can begin with alphabet or underscore. So remember always a variable can begin with an alphabet. That is, it can be an uppercase letter or lowercase letter. Or it can begin with an underscore symbol. But it should not, apart from that, it should not begin with any of the symbols. See here, underscore ABC, it's a valid variable, or ABC underscore if you give also, it's a valid variable. Then it is user defined. The name of the alphabet, the name of the variable, it is dependent on the user. However you want, he can give some names for the variables. So it may contain only letters, digits and underscore. The third point is it may contain letters, digits and underscore, but it should not contain any special characters or meta characters while naming the variables. That is, it should not contain characters like plus, minus, doll, star, division. Some meta characters, whatever we see in the keyboard, it should not be included while declaring a variable. So variable supports only letters. Letters can be both uppercase and lowercase. Digits from 0 to 9 and this underscore symbol. And the fourth point is variables are case sensitive. Case sensitive in the sense, suppose if I write sum, SUM sum, and if I write capital SUM sum, both are different variables. This sum is different from this. So that is why they are case sensitive. Uppercase and lowercase are different. And the fifth point is variable names cannot be keywords. So the meaning of this is, already we know that there are 32 different types of keywords in the computer language. So we cannot use those keywords or reserved words as a variable. For example, we have keywords like int, float, char, main, go to statement, break statement, continue statement like this. So these are built-in variables. Okay, the meaning of this is already predefined. Such variables, such keywords cannot be used as variables. Apart from the 32 keywords, anything can be used as a variables. Then the last point is variables must not contain the white spaces. So the meaning of this is spacing is not allowed while declaring a variable. So for example, if I write ABC space underscore sum. See here, this white space is not allowed while declaring a variable. So no spaces should be there. You could have written ABC underscore sum. So this is a valid variable. So now we have discussed some of the rules we should follow while declaring the variables. That is all the 6 rules. It can begin with an alphabet, digit or it can begin with an alphabet or underscore. Digits can be present anywhere in the middle, but it should not begin with a digit. For example, my variable name is like this. It is an invalid variable. Or if my variable name is like this, yes, it is valid. Or if I write underscore sum, yes, it is a valid. Underscore sum, it's a valid variable. If I write 9 underscore sum, no, this is invalid because it is beginning with a digit followed by underscore, it is invalid. Or if I write sum at int, see here, this at symbol, special meta character, it is not allowed, so this is wrong. Or if I write sum, average. See, this is again wrong. White spaces is not allowed. It's an invalid variable. We could have written sum underscore average. So this is a valid variable. So these are certain rules we should follow while declaring a variable before writing the program. And next, coming for the keywords. Keywords are nothing but they are the reserved words of the compiler. The meaning of this reserved words is already stored in the compiler. So here we cannot use these reserved words or keywords as a variables. Okay. So totally there are 32 different kinds of keywords. So those 32 different kinds of keywords cannot be used as a variables. For example, we have signed, int, size of, default, break statement, case, switch, struct, like this, int, float, char. So like this we have 32 different keywords whose meaning is already predefined. Those keywords or reserved words cannot be used as a variables. Apart from that, using the rules whatever I have shown in the previous this one previously which I have rubbed. So follow those 6 rules to declare the variables. So here I hope you understood what are keywords and what are reserved words. So always remember while declaring the variable, the size of the variable, the length of the variable should not exceed more than 31 characters. So while declaring any variable, it should not exceed more than 31 characters, and reserved words, keywords cannot be used as a variables because the meaning is already predefined and stored in the compiler. Hope you have understood. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.